In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can unhide apps on your iPhone device. So let's just dive straight into this video. So say for example, I've recently hidden the Instagram app from my home screen. So if I go and remove this one, remove from home screen, as you can see, it's no longer there. So if I want to kind of unhide this application, all I have to do is just scroll to the furthest page on my iPhone, and then I just have to scroll to the right one more time. So as you can see here, guys, I now have my Instagram app, and if I scroll back to my iPhone, as you can see, it's not there. So what I have to do is again scroll to the furthest page and then scroll one more time, and as you can see, it's right here. And alternatively, I can search for the application in here. Now, if I want to restore the app to the home screen on my iPhone, all I have to do is press and hold and then go add to home screen. And this will now go and reinstate that application directly back onto my homepage. So there you have it, guys. That's a really quick and simple way on how to unhide apps on your iPhone. And this will also work for all iPhone models as well. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.